And we can just dance the night away until we get no more. Shake all the hurt away. So you can.
Guys, welcome back to Temu Diary. Well, before I get started, I want you guys to, can you please say it? Like and subscribe to this notification bell because we're gonna be unboxing this box. I'm so excited. So you don't know what it is. We have like 2 boxes, and I'm literally shaking because guys, I'm so excited. I'm like literally so excited because I think it's a disc or something. Yeah. Let's unbox it today. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Okay. So Mimi, Ching Chong Cha, who's gonna go first? Me. Ching Chong Cha. Tina. Guys, just open. Okay, I'm just gonna cover my eyes so I don't.
Okay, let me help you guys. Let me help you. Hold on, Minnie.
Wait. Guys, my mom is gonna help me.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Woo!
help you.
Okay, Popsy, guys.
Don't open yet, Minnie.
Okay.
Let Athena also have a chance
To open hers.
to open.
Okay, Tina. You
So
can.
I got these guys, these things for you guys from Temu. Because I can see you guys, you need your own space where you can do your homework and
Yes! Okay. 3. Okay, Tina, you can come.
Okay, Athena, you can open your eyes and start unboxing this stuff.
3, 2, 1. Wait, guys, we're gonna open it. I want you guys to do the countdown with us. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! This is so cool! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Let me see yours. Oh my god!
Okay, so when you guys are doing your homework,
Guys, look at this!
yeah, you can
It's
undo
hella
it,
pretty.
open it up,
Guys, this is
and then it's a nice steady place where you guys can do your homework wherever you want. Okay.
Guys, this is so cute! It's literally adorable. So I can put anything. I can put my pencils. Wow! It's very nice.
Okay. Say bye to your subscribers.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Oh my gosh,
So
excited.
excited.
Bye guys, thank you for watching.